Yeah, big and bad. I don't know how the one done straight. The only done. You saw me I say, yeah. Well, hear me I say now, straight and bad and big. In today's world, if you are not in certain people's class, they not deal with you. You have people deal with everybody on the same level, but you have some people do not deal with you because you don't have no not steer, you don't have no name brand clothes that wear, you don't live in a one proper wall house. You understand me I say them no want a friend from you. That's what me I say. And regular missy people use people. Them and people are more good and all of a sudden then dash them away, kick them aside. That's what me I say. I learn from everything I see to my black brothers and sisters. Even though we don't have no love for one another. You understand me? Yeah, even though we don't have no love, I pray for the worst thing happen for one another. Yeah. See them go see the man them, see them go see the girl them, big man, big woman. You see me? So that's why it go. No matter if you're old or you're young, it goes for you too. Straight. We not gonna love for the nation. Look on the China, look on the white man, them build them one another. Look how the white man and China man build them one another. You see what I say? Look how the Indian them help build them one another. A black people alone are kill black people. I not say killing now going all over the world. But we alone are fight with things. You see what I say? We alone are fight on one another. We don't build. We say we want a better Jamaica. We don't build Jamaica. We not help build Jamaica. Our people from another country come and come build Jamaica. We the Jamaicans now build Jamaica. We not even not talking about one country, I show you. The way how we bad mind, cubbish us, ready eye. If you even have something, you don't want your black brother have nothing better than you. You don't want him to get nothing. You just want him to stay one way. And them chat behind your back and them whisper, and them try to make people drive all fear in the people about you. For them not trust you and all them bumbo like that. So I try to show you how some people steal. You see me? Yeah, me not come and hurt to fight nobody, you know. Me come and hurt to survive. That me come and do. And live a better life and live peaceful and carry who me can carry because a whole heap of people carry me. But it's not everything a man have a carry you upon because I'm going to allow you to do your own thing sometime. Just like how God allow you to do your own thing sometime. Me not curse me black people, but me I say black people. Why make me so bad mind? Me not say bad mind not there everywhere. But why we so bad mind as black people against one another? Eh? You can't be like the white man, you know. You can't be like the white man. You see me? You can't be like the Chinese man. And you can't be like the Indian man. You have to be yourself. That's what I say. And if you not be yourself, you not say nothing Rasta. Big up to the few people them where conscious and I spread the good news and I try to teach some of the youth them the right thing. That's what I say. Because them are youth are exposed to a whole heap of thing. If you even take away the phone from them, take away the laptop from them, take away the tablet from them have access to get to watch what them want to watch. Understand me? Because them are friends. So I hear some people talk. These people, these youths generation here, young generation here, go and have access to see anything. Because them are done hear slack song already. But them are trying to cut down. It not go work no more because it done gone bad already. We're gone bad a man, you can't come go that evening. No, because them no God. You see what I say? Straight. But me I say black people are time to really good Rasta. No wait until a storm or a hurricane come. If you say yeah, we are going to help one another and live as one because you want God to fall and bless upon you. God is not fool you know. If you never used to do that from morning, anything what happen to you will happen. You see me? And a hurricane season now. So, you know make no sense to play you play like you're kind and you're nice. Do the good you can from the day one. From day one, me I do good and help. Who you can help. You never can tell what can happen. We know you have people come block you up and stop you from go through in your life and stop you from get certain things. But in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, man, then the bad man people have to go one side, man. All of the people and we are set up people and I try to kill out innocent people and I try to drive some things, you know, some people through them and my friend for them pre some people when I'm business with them. That's what I say. The blood of Jesus condemn the people. Whether you are family member or you are friend to me family or you are just a normal man like me living at the same place or in a different community. Me say from your praying them where the blood of Jesus man never go down. Remember me tell you. Because me see a lot of people that go to church and them are do some little things behind back with them little dirty phone. But the phone is good and bad. You know, I want them to do when things go down. Investigate some of them dirty people that we have got church. Yes, because when they rub it out of them phone, you can't go to the company and get it, see me. But the fuck with some people. Eh? And that's why we can't better in this country, you know, because you see, the innocent man, just like what the Bible says, the good happy feel it with the bad, you see me? So that's how you go. But me want a better country for my. Me want my country run a better way. You see what I say? Yeah. We know we can't stop the youth from doing what they want to do and see what they want to see. But at least cut the crime. And this a government and do nothing about no crime thing neither. If I be a chat, then they'll chat. You see me? One bag of advice and nothing now go on. Straight. That's how I see it. I'm not afraid to talk it. Nothing now go on. Nothing. It just come like in a desert, a dead fitters and can't get no water. That's a go on here. You see what I say? Me no see nothing now go on with this country if them win. You see me? I mean I preach politics, but I the truth. The same people that vote for them are better like myself here. So what the fuck? What is the fuck? God alone can survive, make us survive. No politics can't none away. Even though we jump up with different party. Yeah, and you still have some people, they pan corner every day and chat people and feel their business and spoil. You see why black people can't better Rasta? Boy. You see why? And some man chat behind your back and conspire and them laugh in front of you like all is well. But deep in them heart, them know them not with you. Then they even want to help you. You see what I say? But in God I put my trust. Fuck off with the whole of them when they like me and I try to stop me. I shall rise in the name of Jesus Christ. That's what I say, straight.
Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever.